Welcome, guys. So, considering this topic, we actually have a polynomial function is a function that involves only non-negative integer pairs. That is, suppose I have a polynomial function f of x. Is f of x can actually be represented in this form whereby you have a constant a naught and you have a particular variable x that is being raised to the power of that is being raised to a positive integer, which is let's say 0. And the next one can be a1, which is another constant, and you have x is power of 1 plus a2, then x squared plus another constant a3 x cubed, then like that. But we have different type of polynomial equation. What if you have a polynomial equation of just a naught plus a1x? Then we refer this to as a linear. This is a linear function. But when you have a function in this form whereby you have a naught plus a1x plus a2x squared, this is said to be what? Quadratic. This is said to be quadratic. Why is it quadratic? Actually, in this case, we say a naught, a1, a2, they are all what? They are all constants. Okay, they are all constant. Take note of that. So in this case, whereby you have just a naught plus a1x, it's simply as if we are trying to write something of this nature, that is 2 plus 4x, and this is a linear equation. Why is it linear expression? Because the exponent that you actually have here, that is the degree you have on this variable, the highest degree you have in this expression is just 1. Whenever you have the highest degree of any expression or on a variable, when the highest degree is 1, it is said to be linear. But when you have something of this nature, 2 plus 4x, then minus 3x squared. If you look at this, the variable here is x, and the highest variable you have on this x is 2. So whenever you have the highest degree in an expression to be 2, the highest degree you have on a variable, if it is 2, then it is said to be quadratic. It is said to be quadratic. We have the cubic equation too. Something of this nature, 2 plus 4x minus 3x squared, then plus 5x cubed. Then this is what? This is cubic equation. You also have quintic. When you have okay, you have quartic rather. You have quartic. Quartic is when you have 2 plus 4x minus 3x squared plus 5x cubed. Let's say you now have minus 6x4. When the highest degree is 4, it is said to be what? It is said to be quartic. Quartic. Okay? That's like a quartic expression. But what if you have an expression in this form, 3x squared plus 5x cubed minus 6x4, let's say you now have plus 5x to the power of 5. The highest degree on this variable is 5. Hence, in this case, we say that this type of expression, whenever there is an equal to sign, we say this is quintic, a quintic equation. So we have different types of polynomial function. Okay, we have different types of polynomial function. So whatever I'm going to be doing now is I want to try to explain the addition, how to add function polynomial expression together, how to subtract, and how to what? And how to multiply and then divide. So in this case, whenever you are dealing with polynomial, you'll be given a function f of x, and you also be given another function g of x. Suppose f of x is a linear expression, which is 5x plus 4, and g of x is a polynomial expression, which is 2x cubed plus 4x, let's say cubic, 4x squared plus, okay, 3x minus 2. Then in this case, I may decide to ask you to find f of x plus 3g of x. And you know what this means? What is f of x? That's 5x plus 4. And what is g of x? G of x is 2x cubed plus 4x